Welcome back to day 2 of the 21-day meditation challenge. You can raise your right hand and pat yourself on the back for getting started on this journey to build good habits. If you've joined today, no worries. The good news is, in today's meditation, Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji will take us from the A to Z of meditation. So it's time to sit back with a smile and go within. आज इस 21 दिन ध्यान चुनौती का दूसरा दिन है। अगर आज आपने ज्वाइन किया हो तो कोई हर्ज नहीं। अच्छी खबर ये है कि जो ध्यान आज गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी करने जा रहे हैं उसमें ध्यान प्रक्रिया का पूरा सार निहित है। तो चलिए बैठते हैं आराम से, मुस्कुराते हुए आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं।
For those who are doing meditation for the first time, I would like to give a little instructions or caution that meditation is not concentration. It is nothing that you do with effort. It's something that happens to you when you relax. You know, the art of relaxation, deep relaxation with wakefulness is what you can call as meditation. Mind is kept alive, but the body is relaxed, and you start experiencing that our body is inside the mind, not the other way around. Often people think our mind is inside the body. Now, meditation gives us this realization that our body is like a wick of a candle and the mind is like the glow all around it. So let's begin with shaking our hands a little bit. When you shake our hands, some restlessness will go away. We shake both hands and continue shaking our hands. And keep our spine erect. And we can stretch our neck side to side to just feel that good stretch in our neck. Then let us close our eyes with our spine erect and body relaxed. Relax your shoulders. Let us pay attention to our whole body. Let us recollect our age. Whatever it is, 30 years, 20 years, 30, 40, 50, 65. That many years ago we came into this planet. While this planet has always been there, just recollect your own age and remember, in the time graph, so many years have passed since we are here. We came into this world weighing just 5 kilos or 8 pounds. And today we weigh 200 pounds or 150 pounds, whatever that is. Our body has billions and trillions of cells. And they keep changing all the time. Let's keep our attention on our body 100%. Let's take our attention to each and every part of the body and focus there and move on. Let's take our attention to our right leg. A little more attention on the calf muscle. the feet, toes, heel. Just take your mind deep into your leg. Let's scan our whole leg. Take your attention to our knees and thighs and hip. All our attention on the right leg. Now let's shift our attention to the left foot, left ankle, toes on the left foot, let's imagine our mind is really moving deep into this part of our body. Left kneecap, left thigh, left hip, now let's keep our attention in the middle part of the body, the thorax part. Reproductive system, abdomen, digestive system, stomach, liver, pancreas, and all that. Then diaphragm. You know the movement in the diaphragm. With every in-breath and out-breath, our diaphragm is moving rhythmically. Let's pay attention to the rhythmic movement of the diaphragm. And now let's take our attention to the chest, to our lungs. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's take 5 such long deep breaths and breathe out slowly. Let's come to our shoulders and arms. Relax our arms and shoulders. Now let us take our attention to our throat and neck. And take a deep breath in and let go. Let's keep a big smile on our face and breathe in with the smile. and breathe out with a smile. As we smile, all the muscles in our face go into relaxation. Let's take our attention to the top of the head. Our body is the precious gift to us from nature. Let us honor our own body. We are committed to our body and its well-being. Let's acknowledge this fact. And we are committed to everyone else's well-being as well. That makes us human. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. Let's project our mind to the future. Another 20, 30, 40, 50 years we will be on this planet and we'll keep doing all that we wanted to do, like we did in the past. And then there comes the end. But this planet will continue. Now let's take another deep breath in, and as we breathe out, let us honor our breath. It's this breath that is keeping us alive. Let us welcome the incoming breath like you would do to a dear friend, and see off the outgoing breath like we would do to an honored guest. Breathe in, welcoming the breath, and as you breathe out, see off the outgoing breath. Body is our first dimension, breath is our second. Incoming breath energizes the body, while outgoing breath brings us a sense of relaxation. And this is happening all the time. Let's pay attention to this fact. As you breathe in, every cell gets oxygen, every cell gets energy. And as you breathe out, there is absolute relaxation. Continue with long, deep breaths to energize the body and mind complex and to bring deep relaxation. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Let us become aware of the air all around us and inside of us. In fact, our life is in air. Let's become aware of the vast ocean of air that we are all in. Now let us move on to the third dimension, our mind. Our body is like the wick of a candle, and our mind is like the glow all around. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. With eyes closed, you may mentally feel the walls of the room and become aware of the volume or the dimension of your own room. As though our mind is touching the walls on all the sides. Another deep breath in and let go. So let us become aware of the roof of the room that we are in. Whatever is the sensation now we are experiencing, let it be. Let all those sensations be. Neither we try to get rid of them, nor hold on to them. Any discomfort or twitches here and there, we just allow it to be there. Let it be. Wherever the mind wants to go, just let it go. We will not control the mind or do anything for that matter. Just let it be. Any tension anywhere, just let it be. All good and bad thoughts, let them come and go on their own. This moment, we're neither looking for an experience nor are we averse to it. This moment, there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just repose in the silence. Let us just repose in the emptiness. Let us become aware of the space beyond our room, beyond our building, the vast space. Now relax and let go of all your efforts. The moment we let go, everything starts blossoming. Our body and mind finds deep relaxation. They start smiling and blossoming. Just let go and let be. And let our mind start smiling. May all the people in the world be happy. May there be harmony in every heart and mind. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May there be peace in the hearts and minds. May there be peace in the society and among the nations. May there be peace among the elements and in the nature. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let us become aware of our body and surroundings. And let's breathe in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. And let the smile on our face percolate to the back of our head. Let's just imagine the back of head is also smiling, as though every cell in the back of our head is smiling. And slowly let the smile descend to our throat and neck, our chest and our shoulders. And slowly, as though your whole body is smiling. Now let's take a deep breath in. And as we breathe out, we may gently open our eyes.
I'm sure the faces are calm and bright, shining right now. Though our face says it all, but we would love it if you can put your comments below how your day 2 of meditation was. And day 3 awaits all of us tomorrow evening, 7:30 India time. If you want a reminder to the challenge, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for another new meditation with Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.